Who would you like to meet in your lifetime? Where would you like to travel? What is that one challenge you would like to face which gives more confidence to you? And what is that one thing you would like to accomplish before you kick the bucket? Well, what is this question is all about? Take a time and think about it. Hey there, I hope your list is ready. Any idea as to what are these questions, what are this list is all about? Take a pause of the video and think for a while. Yes, as you all guessed it, it's nothing but a bucket list. What is bucket list? Do you have one? That's exactly the topic of this video. Come on, let's learn more about it in this video. Wondering what is bucket list? Bucket list is nothing but a list of goals to achieve, list of dreams to fulfill, and the life experience you would like to experience before you die. To make it more simple, it's a people who create list of things they want to achieve before they kick the bucket. Anything people feel that it is challenging, anything people feel that it is the biggest thing they want to accomplish, they don't want to have a sense of accomplishment, then people make a list of things and they start achieving one by one. By the way, why people make a list? What is the reason we need to have a bucket list? Friends, there are so many reasons why we need to have a bucket list. First and foremost reason why we need to have a bucket list is it gives lot of, when you write it down, when you make a list of things, it is easier and it is quicker to achieve. And the secondly, it gives lot of clarity to your plan. It's a systematic and it is a disciplined way of achieving anything. Most important, you will start enjoying the journey of accomplishment. When you write it down, it gets your brain thinking and it gives your goals to strive for. And friends, it's a great idea to having a bucket list is a great idea no matter what you decide on. But having a bucket list is a driving factor. Trust me friends, the bucket list works as a driving factor for your goals. What kind of things people list in a bucket list? People list the things which they feel it is impossible to achieve. It is most difficult they feel. This is what they listed in their bucket list. Like, what is that they want to explore in their life? What is that one thing they feel they should really have it? Like the kind of countries they want to visit, the kind of travel they want to do it, they want to become something which is beyond their limit, like they want to become a millionaire, they want to become an author. Then people list like the number of books they want to read in certain period of time, and what is the kind of wealth they want to create in what kind of stage in their life. There are many things people create and make it as a list, and they make sure that they achieve their bucket list before their life ends. Now, having understood what is bucket list, it's time for you to create one bucket list for you. How will you do it? Guideboard would help you with the steps how to create a bucket list.
Hello, I'm Guidebot of Skills Made Easy. Step 1. Think deeply about whatever your desires and what gives you the most satisfaction and bring joy to you, and whichever you feel is impossible for you to achieve. Step 2. List down all that whatever comes to your mind. Step 3. Shortlist whichever gives you most thrilling experience to you and sense of accomplishment when you complete it. Step 4. Give timeline for each item. Step 5. List down and make a proper list of all the things, identify the challenges, pros and cons, and literally make a beautiful plan. Follow these steps and make your beautiful bucket list.
Now that the list is ready, it is easier to make a list, but how do you fulfill it? Friends, this skill is also made super easy for you. Once your list is ready, take a printout of it and keep it in a place where you can see it easily. It could be your wallet, dressing mirror, or bedside, anywhere. Make it a point that you can see it easily. Then the first step is take a look at your list every day twice. Could be any time, but see it twice daily. By looking at your list, you get a lot of motivation and a lot of inspiration to achieve it as per your plan. So take a look at it every day. Second thing is, put that 200% of persistent and continuous effort in doing it, no matter what. Put that effort. That is the only secret, that is the only mantra for it. Not to give up at any situation, whatever the point you reach, not to give up and keep doing it until you reach to that last point. This is the only two skills that you want to adopt while achieving your bucket list. I hope you understood what is bucket list, why we should have a bucket list, and you will start creating your bucket list for you today itself. Friend, it is one of the important skills like other skills. I would say this is one of the first step in your success journey. Please make a list, whatever it can be, no matter what, whatever it can be. You jot it down, you make a list of it and make a bucket list for you. As you all know, life passes by rather easily, and the most important is how to make it the most of it. I hope you will all do this. I hope you are all doing all the skills, and this skill is also you will use it and start working on it. Thank you, friends. Thank you for encouraging me to do and encouraging me to bring nice topic in front of you. Please use these skills. Take care, friends, and bye-bye.